Hey there, welcome to Tech World GBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. To create a personalized plan to save $1 million in 7 years with a $100,000 gross salary in California, we need to consider the following. First, gross salary breakdown. We need to account for federal and state taxes, living expenses, and savings and investments. Second, investment strategies. This involves leveraging high-growth investments like mutual funds, ETFs, or stocks, and strategic savings allocation. Finally, assumptions. We'll work with an average annual investment return of 8%, tax withholding at around 30% for federal and state combined, and lifestyle adjustments to maximize savings. Assume the following. Gross annual income $100,000. Tax liability, which is 30%, amounts to $30,000. This leaves a net take-home pay of $70,000. Typical annual expenses in California. First, housing, approximately $2,500 per month, which totals $30,000 per year. This could be reduced by living in a shared apartment or renting in a less expensive area. Second, utilities, groceries, and transportation, around $1,200 per month, adding up to $14,400 per year. Third, discretionary expenses such as entertainment and dining out are about $500 per month, which equals $6,000 per year. In total, annual expenses come to around $50,000. So, the potential savings annually are $70,000 in take-home pay minus $50,000 in expenses, which equals $20,000 per year. To reach $1 million in 7 years, you'll need to leverage investment growth. Let's assume an average annual return of 8%. Here's the savings breakdown. First, savings needed with 8% returns. Using a financial calculator, the monthly contribution required to achieve $1 million in 7 years with 8% returns is approximately $8,600 per year, or $716 per month. Second, allocate additional savings to high-growth investments. To meet this goal while maximizing your $20,000 annual savings, invest $8,600 per year into an S&P 500 index fund or growth mutual fund. Then allocate the remaining $11,400 per year toward a diversified portfolio, such as a mix of stocks, ETFs, and REITs. Step 4. Action Plan. Yearly Investment Plan. Year 1. Starting balance, $0. Contribution $20,000. Growth at 8%, $1,600. Ending balance, $21,600. Year 2. Starting balance, $21,600, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $3,728, ending balance $45,328. Year 3, starting balance $45,328, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $5,826, ending balance $71,154. Year 4, starting balance, $71,154, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $8,092, ending balance, $99,246. Year 5, starting balance, $99,246, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $10,540, ending balance, $129,786. Year 6, starting balance, $129,786, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $13,183, ending balance, $162,969. Year 7, starting balance, $162,969, contribution $20,000, growth at 8%, $16,037, ending balance, $198,005. Adjustments. Contribute bonuses, tax refunds, or any windfall income to accelerate growth. Reduce discretionary expenses, for example. Cut entertainment costs by 50%. Step 5. Investment strategy. Asset allocation. 60% equity funds, including growth stocks, S&P 500 ETFs, or mutual funds. 30% bonds or fixed income funds for stability, 10% alternative investments such as REITs or gold ETFs. Account types: max out 401k contributions. Aim for the annual limit, $22,500 in 2024 if possible. Use employer matching to boost savings. Open a Roth IRA and contribute up to $6,500 per year for tax-free growth. Use a taxable brokerage account for additional investments. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Quarterly reviews. Track your progress and adjust contributions if necessary. Rebalancing. Ensure your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance. Emergency fund. Maintain 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Summary of the plan. 1. Annual savings goal: save $20,000 per year. 2. Investment growth. Target an 8% annual return. 3. Portfolio split: 60% equity, 30% bonds, 10% alternatives. 4. Supplement income. Use bonuses or side hustles to boost contributions. Would you like assistance calculating specific growth scenarios or advice on portfolio construction? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.